Right now, boy, stadio pe kota maboy show akwata kaise uninu echola kit present here Museveni riongete lo akipi adukun kwa Uganda okaro lo apiai lo ilukmnia ke tumna kenyum ke ilukmnia tomna kanyangon kanwai tapatan akore na nyamat ko wai lo Icokicokere kipi echamutapol ne chulong LC5 Butebo James Okurutebem Aboisit na Icokicokere Iraan na sodit adesuk take adomo nesebuni aikeo na corona kwana
jane program ay launching a project la irrigation la nebe susuma na kitai chocho anwa korio so elipta ngetunga sisa sumebe ite asom anyu nebe loso na some project lo kapalo sisa ya misi unijo oyangari joda
to definitely be fenced and being community owned. I do not envisage any member of the community coming to steal, but you can't take it for granted. There is always sabotage. Some people may want sabotage, but the community is going to guard it jealously.
Akasla na kotem kachuru Rose na izuri nyese yala mebe mambo bikatunga epote haidari nyama tangundu ya ununo ko bugisu kano ine lukwi kanyanya ija icheda.
Going to a neighborhood to pick vegetables is very difficult. You may fail to get a good neighbor who can show you where to pick the vegetables from. She shows you where she picks, where there are pieces. So I want to encourage my fellow women to grow vegetables like green pepper, tomatoes, those fruits, to grow eggplants, to grow the bitter berries. We can get money from the growing of vegetables. Many values from vegetable growing. The only thing is that we have been lacking the techniques of growing. So we have got the opportunity from Bumba Foundation through Honorable Woman Member of Parliament, Agnes Amede. We have been struggling or encountering a challenge of the dry season. So we have got this water, which means people are going to learn. It isn't only by use of pipes, but with also use of watering. They can use a watering can to water their crops.
But I would like to encourage members to join and be alert when we send resources to this union. The union executives will be accountable to the members, and that is the only way to go. Also, I have also promised Agnes that these ladies who have come together, you organize the cooperative, the saving and credit cooperative structure. That you save. You know, it's a very simple formula. You harvest, you save some money, you save in the sack. You go back to the garden. You borrow, you save. You borrow, you save. The language of money is save me today, I'll save you tomorrow. That is it, and that's the story.
Dilax Emi Alamu, Paul Watala, TV East Butebo.